back to my channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Verna, a compact sedan that's turning heads with its bold design, advanced technology, and refined driving dynamics. Hyundai has taken a big step forward with the new Verna, making it more premium, spacious, and connected than ever before. While traditionally more popular in markets outside the US, the 2025 Verna shows what Hyundai is capable of in the compact sedan segment. The exterior of the 2025 Verna is a complete departure from its previous versions. It features a futuristic front end with a full-width LED light bar, sharp LED headlamps, and a bold parametric grille. The sleek fastback-like silhouette adds a sporty edge, while sharp character lines along the side and a sculpted rear give it a dynamic stance. The rear also gets a full-width LED tail lamp design that ties the whole look together, making the Verna stand out in traffic. Under the hood, the Verna offers two engine options depending on the market. The standard engine is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder that delivers around 115 horsepower and comes with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT for smooth and efficient performance. For those looking for more punch, a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers up to 160 horsepower and is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for quicker shifts and a sportier drive. Both engines focus on fuel efficiency and low emissions, making the Verna a smart daily driver. Step inside, and the Verna surprises with a premium and tech-forward interior. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, featuring a dual-screen setup that includes a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and offers connected car tech, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Ambient lighting, a premium sound system, ventilated front seats, and wireless charging give the cabin a high-end feel. In terms of safety, the 2025 Verna raises the bar with Hyundai Smart Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. It includes forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera. These features help keep drivers and passengers protected and add confidence on long drives or in city traffic. With increased dimensions, the Verna now offers more rear legroom and trunk space, making it even more practical. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, starting around $20,000 depending on trim and features. The 2025 Hyundai Verna delivers a strong mix of style, comfort, efficiency, and innovation. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.